Are you an agent looking for quick, reliable title closing services? A good real estate title company improves the home purchase process for agents, sellers, and buyers. And without a title company, your transactions can become a nightmare. Before throwing your business at any old title agency that could slow down your sales and put a shadow on your reputation, there's a few things you might want to check off the list. Let's start talking about what you can expect from a good title company. The most important aspect in choosing the right title company is the ability to communicate. You need to work with high-skilled communicators that not only understand your role and your customers' needs, but also be on top of lenders' agreements and also translate forms in a language that everybody involved understands. Mistakes and delays due to overlooking a critical part of the due diligence and closing process can be quite costly, and they may also harm your reputation as a real estate agent. A good title company can help you spot these issues out. Another quality for a good title company is their accuracy and efficiency with financial matters, also to stay on top of escrow for easy transactions. Legal expertise. It's a valuable asset to always have legal experts on hand with a good title company. You can relax knowing your work will comply with any regulations and standards set by the CFPB. Compliance with regulations is necessary, but sometimes time-consuming for the real estate agent. Have you worked with a title company that's missed a deadline? It could cause a lot of headaches and unnecessary stress. Not to mention, it could harm your reputation as a real estate agent. There's no need for this kind of stress when you partner with a really good title company, because they will be anticipating the next step for your closing process. Now that you know what a good title company does for a real estate agent, are you ready to work with a title company you can trust? Gasparilla Title, providing a better closing experience by placing our customers' needs first. Thank you for tuning in to Galaxie's Galley. Please do not forget to subscribe and tune in next week. Bye!